All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this shuttle front end and the CONA bottling harbor. So I'll go ahead and log in and quick start. So we'll go ahead and create a new shuttle deployment. We're basically going to create a new shuttle project, which is an application on the provide within IDIN. We're going to pick the ROPS and testnet for this. We'll pick the shuttle registry contract, which deploys the org registry and other contracts related to the baseline stack. That deploys the contracts that you can find in the core protocol, the core contracts package in the baseline protocol repo. So we can select the cloud, where this is essentially where we want the first, where our organization's resources are, whether they're in AWS, whether they're in Azure. You can select where you want to deploy these. Let's pick somewhere interesting. How about Paris? Why not? All right. So put some creds in, and then let's call this the bottling harbor. Should not have picked Paris. We'll select CONA as the organization and launch the project. So what we'll find is this contract creation transaction. This is the shuttle contract that we just deployed as part of this this new bottling harbor. And we will find that contract gets an address once the transaction's been mined and our service has been notified. In-chain will there's a stats daemon service that runs as part of in-chain in the core provide stack, and that will propagate these logs to us. We have a work group here. We'll come back to that, and we have networks. So we see some infrastructure starting to spin up for us, right? As the first participant in the network, we're deploying our stack to our resource, to our infrastructure. Everyone in every organization in the work group will deploy this stack, and provide makes it very automated and easy for them to do that. So if I want to invite additional organizations to this work group, for example, I might want to invite United Bottling. So if I say admin at united.bottler, that would be not their real email address, and I invite them, there's actually a lot of parallels between Shuttle and how the provide stack works and how this Bob and Alice BRI1 demo works, or reference implementation works. This bare JWT is actually sent out of band by the provide stack to invite United. So if this was actually Alice at United.bottler, you would see very strong parallels with how the BRI1 example works. So just keep that in mind. That is how it works. All right, so if you look back here at the network, so this provide a bright container, this is the pointy end of the spear, as I like to call it. It actually connects, that is the proxy, that is the baseline persistence proxy. This container connects to SAP, it connects to Microsoft Dynamics 365 by way of the Azure Service Bus. And it connects to the Salesforce connector that Dom has been writing. So what I just explained there, that's the Unibright, Envision, and DAPS Inc. trifecta.